Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Buzz checking in and Shay Buzz checking in. And if this is your first time, go ahead and take a look around the channel. Check out a few videos. If there's anything you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the like button on this video to recommend it to other viewers. And go ahead and turn that notification bell on so you can get notified every time I drop a video. So today we are about to go to a food tasting event. This is like a chef's competition, Iron Chef, where like 3 chefs have like a secret ingredient and they all have to make a 3-course meal, and the audience were the judges. And this is our second time coming. We've been here before. I think it was like probably like 2, 3, it was probably like 3, 4, maybe a month ago. And it was great. The secret ingredient last time was
thyme, right?
Was it thyme?
It was some kind of herb. It was
or was it basil? Was it thyme or basil? Because I remember somebody made some kind of tomato soup. It was basil.
Tomato basil soup.
Yeah. So that was one of the dishes last time. So I'm excited to see what's in store for us to try tonight. This is me kind of expanding my palate. So, you know, well, she says I'm a picky eater. But yeah, trying some foods today.
And this is how I have my score sheet set up to separate Chef 1, Chef 2, Chef 3. And you see I also have it separated between the appetizer, the soup, and the entree. I didn't get any footage of the appetizers, but Chef 1 had a honey pepper bacon lettuce wrap, Chef 2 had a pork loin rotini, and Chef 3 definitely won that round with their quesadilla.
Always give it one taste. Let's see how it is.
Thank you. That's what I'm trying to figure out.
So here's my scorecard heading into the last round. I have Team 1 and Team 3 tied for first place. Team 2 is definitely out of it. Like I said, Team 3 had my favorite with the quesadillas, and Team 1 definitely won the soups.
But you aren't sure enough to speak up. Is that what you're saying? You think 3 is Sarah? You think Renee is number 1? We'll have to see. Anybody?
Thank you. You're welcome.
And Tara? This chef wants to make sure y'all
a little bit warm. I want to slide it right here. There you go.
Thank you.
You gotta get more.
All 3 chefs' entrees came at the same time. We have a roasted pork loin from Chef 1. Chef 2 hit him with a delectable German schnitzel, and Chef 3 hit him with an Italian pork sausage pasta. And here's my final scorecard. You see I have Chef 3 winning. It was the quesadillas for me. Chef 3, those quesadillas were amazing. Chef 1, it was close, but you totally dropped the ball on the entree. That roasted pork loin, that was not it. But Chef 2 surprised me with that German schnitzel. It was hitting. It was slapping.
Lemon cake.
As you see, we have to go boxes because the Georgia portion was so big. Chef 1 won it all, and we have a delicious lemon cake for dessert.